Hi, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Tech It's Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download African Bank application on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download African Bank mobile banking application on your iPhone, first check if you're connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once you are open your App Store, go to the search box at the top and search for African Bank in the search box and make your search. You'll be able to find the mobile application in the app drawer. Simply tap on the Get button right next to it. In order to begin the downloading process, confirm your identity with a Face ID or simply enter your Apple ID credentials. And your application will begin its downloading process. Wait until the app gets downloaded, and you'll be able to use the application right away. African Bank Limited is a retail bank in South Africa that offers financial products and services. Once the application is downloaded, you'll be able to see an Open button popping up right next to the app. If you tap on the Open button, you will be able to launch the application. Allow African Bank to send you notifications by tapping on Allow from the pop-up if you don't wish to receive it. Tap on Don't Allow. That is how you can easily get African Bank application installed on your iPhone quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.